Hi everybody, James here. If you're a practice owner, whether you're an associate working for somebody else, whether you're a solo practitioner in your own clinic, or whether you have multiple clinics or multiple practitioners, in this video, I'm going to go through the 3 things that you need to master your practice, to build a hyper-successful healthcare practice that gives you the income, the impact, and the lifestyle that you deserve, and doesn't burn you out and stress you out. Now, I work with a number of $1 million clinics, and I work with a number of clinics that are just starting or completely struggling right at the bottom, trying to get off the ground. And the main problem they have, whether they're a functional medicine, acupuncture, chiropractor, it doesn't matter. The main issue they have is the ability to attract, convert, and retain their ideal patients. Now, if it's a $1 million clinic that you're running, chances are you're really good at what you do. Chances are you have good procedures and good systems in place. But what you're lacking on, if you've hit a plateau or your growth is starting to slow and go down, is that you don't have the ability to consistently and predictably generate new patients. Now, the problem is that there are so many of these videos that are just talking absolute crap, telling you about the latest tactic and the latest strategy and the marketing thing you should do and why you should buy their services and pay them lots of money each month to learn it or to do it for you. My view is that we need to be in control. If we're the practice owner, we need to know how to attract people. We need to know how to convert them and retain them, because we know our clients best, we know our area best, we know our industry best, we know our business best, and we also know what we're trying to do with that business. Now, the problem when we're paying somebody is that they're not as motivated as us to solve problems. So we pay them a lot per month and then it doesn't work and they disappear and we're none the better. Same thing with coaching. If you're continually paying for coaching, the benefit is to keep you in the program, not to get you results. Because if you're getting results, then you can disappear. If you're still in the program, then I still get paid because you're paying me per month. And so I'm kind of anti both of those models. I'm all about giving you the skills to be able to generate patients on your own, to retain and convert those people, to build a business that serves you. And with this, you have to really master that attraction, that conversion, that retention. The problem is that when we're hearing about all the different tactics and strategies, it's like, what do we do? Should I be on LinkedIn? Should I be on Snapchat, YouTube? Should I be doing Google ads, Facebook ads? At the end of the day, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter what you do. What matters is the numbers. If you're not attracting the right amount of people, if you're not getting it for the right costs, and those people aren't bringing in the right amount of revenue for your business, then things are going to go down. And the problem we have with most marketing tactics is they're short term. They give you a return maybe at the start, and then it disappears. Or you're running it for a while and you want to scale up, but you can't because you've hit a ceiling. And when you hit that ceiling, you then think, I have to move on to something else. The biggest example of this is Google ads. We run Google ads, but there's only so many people that are searching for the problem that we are ranking for with our ads, right? And so what happens is we then try to target more things and more things and more things, and it creates more complexity. But we can't turn around and say, well, I'm going to spend more and make more, because if there's no more people searching, then our ad's not going to show for anybody else. And we're surrounded by competition because every man and his dog is also targeting those keywords, trying to outbid us. And so the costs go up and up and up and up. Something like Facebook can be really good, but it's super confusing. And most people are doing it wrong, where they get short-term return on investment. They do a discount offer, you get some people, and then it doesn't work. The agency doesn't care, they're on to the next person. They're just looking for contracts, as many as they can get, with a cookie cutter approach to try and give you leads. But you as the business owner are trapped. And so what I want you to know is that there is a way out of this, and that's to learn how to do these things yourself, but not to be stuck in a coaching program or anything like that where you are continually paying money to be part of it. So what I've done is I've gone and created a free training that you can watch that will teach you the ins and outs of building a hyper-successful healthcare practice and how you can attract, convert, and retain your ideal patients to build abundance of people, abundance of income, impact, and a lifestyle that you deserve. Check out the free training, watch it. And if it's something that resonates with you and you want to take things to the next level and maybe work with me so I can help you grow your practice, then I want you to book a free strategy session with me. It's 45 minutes. We'll discuss your business, where you're at, what you're trying to achieve. If I feel like I can help and if I feel like we're a good fit, then we'll talk about what it is that I do. Now, I just want to preface this. I'm not an agency. I'm not going to do anything for you. And I'm not a coaching program where you're stuck on retainer. My program is lifetime access, single investment. And the investment is not big at all. And what that means is that once you're part of it, you get access to me, you get access to a mastermind student group with all the other members in it, and you get access to lifetime updates on the training material. And I do this because I want you to have the tools to be able to grow your business. There's nothing worse than when I was starting in practice and even moderately successful in practice where I wanted to go further, but I couldn't because there were all these restrictions and having to keep paying people, and I just wasn't getting the return on investment that I wanted. I was profitable, but I didn't want to be profitable. I wanted to have insane return. So it wasn't until I mastered this stuff was I able to actually generate those results. And since being able to teach people how to do the same thing, I've felt empowered giving people the tools, and I've loved it. And so for the past 3 years, I've been running the Practice Mastery program, which is all about building more income, more impact, and a better lifestyle for you, the healthcare practice owner. So what I want you to do is check out that free training, and if it feels like a good fit, book a call. We'll discuss the options, and if it's good, we'll move forward. If it's not, no harm, no foul. I'm going to move on and give you the best advice that I can of who you should be speaking to. And the same thing for you. If it doesn't feel like I'm the right fit for you, just ask me what you can do instead, and I'll point you in the right direction, because I want to make sure that you have the tools and strategies to grow. So check out that training, and I'll see you there.